It's easy to transition your floors to Simix. Before you begin the process of applying the Simix ceramic high shine coating, you must do the following steps in order to have the smoothest floor possible with no visible residue left on it that could interfere with the bonding process. Unlike acrylic floor finish, the Simix high shine ceramic coating never needs to be removed, as it will never yellow, chip, peel, or crack. All you will be doing when it is time to add more coats is do our normal cleaning process and apply additional coats. Our ceramic coating is approximately 1/20th the thickness of acrylic floor finish coat for coat and needs to be applied to a very smooth, tight floor that has no factory finish on it or residue left from removing acrylic floor finish. If you're doing brand new VC tile, it needs to be stripped of the factory finish and then wet polished using an 800 grit diamond burnishing pad to create a shiny surface, followed by a red pad to assure there is no residue left behind. On older VCT tile that has been stripped numerous times, you must use a 220 grit diamond burnishing pad to wet polish off any oxidized damage that naturally occurs from the use of the high alkaline stripping solution, and then the 800 grit diamond burnishing pad to smooth it out and create that initial shine, followed by the red pad to ensure that you have removed as much residue as possible. Transitioning takes just 6 steps. First, you strip thoroughly with stripping solution and Simix. Step 2, you rinse with 220 grit diamond pads. Then you go to an 800 grit diamond pad, and finally red pads. Step 3, you apply 4 coats. Step 4, you autoscrub with the 800 the next day. Step 5, apply 4 more coats. Step 6, wet polish with the 3000 diamond. Let's look more closely at each step. Step 1, stripping. Use 1 large scoop of Simix powder in your stripping solution. This photo shows a thoroughly stripped floor. Check the edges. Make sure there are no shiny spots. Make sure there is no residue. Make sure you rinse several times before you move to the next step. Step 2, rinse. Put 1 large scoop of Simix powder in your tank. Put the 220 diamond pad on your machine. Do 3 passes with gate up, 1 with gate down. Next, put an 800 diamond pad on your machine. Do 3 passes with gate up, 1 with gate down. And finally, put the red pads on your machine. Do 3 passes with gate up, 1 with gate down. Allow the floor to completely dry. Check the floor for residue with your hand. Simix coating is very thin. You have to make sure the floor is completely smooth and clean before you coat. Apply 4 coats of Simix high shine ceramic coating. One person sprays on the floor, the other spreads it with a flat microfiber mop. Step 4, come back 8 to 24 hours later and autoscrub. Put 1 large scoop of Simix powder in the tank and use the 800 diamond pad. 3 passes with the gate up, 1 with the gate down. This is a critical step. The Simix coating forces microscopic residue in the floor to the surface. You have to use the 800 diamond to remove that residue. This is very important. Step 5, apply 4 more coats. Step 6, to maintain the floor, you'll use a 3000 diamond and 1 large scoop of Simix powder for the first 2 weeks. Then alternate between a 3000 grit diamond 2 days a week and a red pad the other 5. Learn more at simixusa.com.